Guys, it is hot out here. Alright. 145. Let's see. See? Right here, look what it says. P0141. That's a sensor. Hey, what up guys? It's your boy Joel, man. I'm trying to change my old sensor. Whatever sensor this is, this one. See, I normally know one that calls that 2 sensors on there. This one only came with 1. Yeah, you're giving me a check engine noise. Let me change it and see what's good with it. Is there to make sure, yes sir. This thing is that for guys, don't, if I ain't doing it right, don't make fun of me. The engine is hot. Alongside with everything. Hold on guys, sure, I don't got nothing to hold the camera up, bro. Need it right here. All I'm gonna do is move this and take the sensor off. Hold on. Start putting it off already. Dang cold, whoa, like. This shit was done. There you go. It's the oxygen sensor, right? There's 2 of them. But there's only one in my car. One. Only one. Oh snap. I ain't show y'all. Yeah. That's the new one right there. Gotta get used to this YouTube stuff. Buy them, fix them up and sell them. Or crash them. Either either. Alright, there you go, right there. Right now we're tightening it back. Cause I don't know what's going on. Guys don't know what just happened to me. So I put on the O2 sensor, right? But yes, still the engine light is still on. So I'm gonna try one more thing before I take it off. But I disconnect the battery. I'm gonna reconnect it when I'm done doing all this. Cause I tested just now. Thing take the light off for like a split second. Probably like 30 seconds. And then it go right back. Damn. Let's see, and do not laugh at my tester. No, it's cheap. It's cheap. I got it off Wish for I think I paid a couple dollars, probably like $5. Then you connect it to this right here. And that says it's on. And here we go. See it? Gotta check engine lights. Right there. So now we're gonna scan. And let's see if we could remove that check engine light. Alright? Alright. Okay, now let's scan.